Okay guys, so you're welcome to today's training, and today we shall be looking at on how to speed up your WordPress website in just 5 steps. Okay, so we'll dive into the training now. Okay, now this is the website which we'll be using, right? That is the gtmetrics.com. Okay, just log into your browser, gtmetrics.com. You'll get the link in the description. Okay guys, so you just go to get started to free. You just fill in your details, create account. But I already have account. I'll just log in. To my account. Now once you are logged into your account, the next thing for you to do is what you enter your URL here. This is my URL. Now if you want to change the country which you want to check this speed from, I'm already in UX. I can just leave it that, or I can change it. Okay, so I can leave it in anywhere which I want to. They just click on your analyze. Okay, so you give it time to analyze your website. This one to check the speed of your website in any country. You can do it in any country. Okay, so give it time. Why is analyzing your website? So it's analyzing my website. So okay guys, so you can see that it has finished analyzing my website. So it's already in B. B is passed. Performance is 83%, structure, so everything. Now I want to look at the speed at which my website is opening in the UX. So it means that my website is loaded in 3.2 seconds. Okay, in 3.2 seconds. And now we can as well improve this also. You see that you leave it like that, or you see that you leave it in this way, or you can also improve this performance. Okay, now next thing for us to do is this. We enter another website which is the airlift. Okay, airlift.net. I will also give you the link to this. Just go to get started now. Connect with your Google account. So you give it time, it's loading. Now you enter your URL here. Continue. Okay, then you click on download. So it has been downloaded. So after you have finished downloaded the file, the next thing is to go to your dashboard. Go to plugins, add plugin, upload plugin. Then choose the file, go to your download. This is the airlift. So install now. So you give it time to install itself. Okay guys, so it will be installed. So the next thing for us to do is to activate plugin. Click on activate. So guys, you can see that it has been activated. Okay, so the plugins have been activated. So the next thing for us to do is to go to that plugin of that airlift. Now in that airlift, in yours you see text plugin. Okay, text plugin. So what you just do, click the text plugin. Once you click on the text plugin, right? Once you click on the text plugin, then you come back to this matrix. Okay, come back to the matrix. Because mine is already optimized. Okay, come back to the matrix. I'm still on my dashboard. Then open your URL, put your URL there to analyze the same website again after you have installed the plugins. Okay, Okay guys, so you can see that after you re-enter your URL, you are done the analyze again. You can see my score have reduced. Okay, don't worry, I know why this is coming up. You can see my performance at the first initial was 83, now it's now 69, you know, because I've installed this again. This is another plugin because I have the one which I was using. Okay, I have the one of the plugin which I'm using before, so I can't be using two, so that's why I have to reduce. Okay, which I may have go and remove that very soon. Okay, so once you do yours, you will see your performance will increase, and your seconds of loading of page will also what reduce. Okay, you can see might have increased. The initial was 3.2 seconds, now it's 3.8 seconds. So this is just how to speed up your WordPress website and what to optimize everything. It will optimize all the images on it. Okay guys, so I want to go and uninstall mine and come back here and you will see the same thing. So guys, you can see that it has come back to the initial way it was, B 89%. Okay, so two plugins can be conflicting themselves. Okay, they can be conflicting themselves. It's either you use one or you don't do with the two at once. You can see now it has reduced the speed, so it opened in 1.3 seconds. So guys, this is how to speed up your WordPress website using first and foremost your G matrix to look at the speed and the rate of it. Then you now use your airlift to install the plugins of that performance. Okay, remember, once you are in your airlift, you click on download. After you have entered your website, you have registered, enter your website, click on download, then go back to your dashboard, upload the plugins, install, activate, then come back here. You see your test plugin. After you have clicked on your test plugin, then come back to this your matrix and what optimize again, analyze it again. It will give you a perfect result that this your website is well optimized and the speed rate is reasonable. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Please, if you find this tutorial interesting and useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button, share and make comments while we reply to you. Stay tuned while we come back next time bringing you new updates in your website design using WordPress. Thank you guys for staying tuned.